So hello guys, here we have question number 4 from Check Your Understanding exercise of the chapter Thermal Physics from Pathfinder. So let's start. A recently designed heater makes use of latent heat obtained in freezing a liquid, which is done by adding a suitable catalyst. This freezing process is possible over a wide temperature range. The heater shown in the figure is a box of dimensions LBH made of an insulating material containing a liquid having the above mentioned property as a working substance. The catalyst is added from the left end in such a controlled manner that the frozen portion grows towards the right at a slow and steady speed v. Find an expression for temperature theta of the heater as a function of time t. Specific latent heat of fusion of the liquid is L. Specific heat of the working substances in liquid state is S. In the solid state, it is eta equals to 10% less, and the initial temperature is theta naught equals to 0 degree Celsius. In liquid as well as in solid states, the working substance has the same density and a very high thermal conductivity. Neglect heat capacity of the box and heat loss to the environment. So basically, first of all, what we need to observe here is that the substance has a very high thermal conductivity. So the whole box will have a constant temperature with a very less temperature gradient. So from here, let's say that x part of the liquid has frozen, and let's say in a small time dt, a dx part of the liquid freezes more. So from here, the masses we can write for the three portions are given as rho b h into x is the mass of the frozen portion, and the mass, a small part that will be frozen will be rho bh times dx, and the liquid mass will be rho bh times L minus x. So from here, the heat released by the portion which is freezing will be gained by the whole part, the frozen and the as well as the liquid part. So from here, the equation we can write is rho bh dx multiplied by L, which is the latent heat, which will be equals to rho bh x times S times 1 minus eta. Here this is the heat gained by the frozen portion, and times d theta plus rho bh times L minus x times S times d theta. This is the heat gained by the liquid. Now here we can write x to be as Vt, as the speed of increase of x is constant, and from here dx equals to v dt. So substituting this in the above equation and simplifying, the final expression we get is dt over L minus Vt neta equals to S d theta over Lv. So from here, integrating this from theta equals to theta naught to some theta, and integrating this from 0 to time t, what we get is minus ln L minus Vt neta over neta from t equals to 0 to time t is equals to S times theta minus theta naught over L. So from here, simplifying, what we finally get is theta equals to theta naught minus L over neta S ln 1 minus Vt neta over L. So this is the final expression. Thank you.